Ordered my fully automated taxi. It's surrounded by sensors on the car. It uses LiDAR. So right, let's stop messing about. Let's get inside and put in the last 4 digits of my phone number. Oh, now everyone knows my number. Wow, look at that. Okay, we're going inside. Completely automated. Here we go. Whoa. Hello, Mr. Driver. Oh, hang on a minute. There's no one in. And also, it will not start until you put on your seatbelt. So that is really quite clever and very safe. So let's put on our seatbelt and away we go. So now the screen will come up like this, and here you just press start. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the wheel turning. There's no one. There's no driver. What the hell? This is just, I mean, it's really, it's like something out of a science fiction movie. I mean, I'm speechless. I mean, just look there. There is no one. This is a taxi. It's one thing to have like automated parking like that, but I mean, this is on a whole nother level. This isn't a fully autonomous taxi. I mean, this is just, this is the future. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Wuhan. And on here you have a little screen. You can also has English for me. Thank you very much. And you can see the route of your journey, and then also you can see the road outside and what the car is seeing, and all the sensors are picking up outside of the car. We have music. You can also watch some video. You can change the temperature in the car, control the AC. I mean, this is just, it's fantastic. I mean, and sometimes also when you get in a taxi, you don't really want to talk to the taxi driver sometimes, and maybe you just want your privacy. So this is great. I mean, there's no one here apart from me. How is this possible? Look at the wheel turning on its own. Okay, it looks like we have arrived. It says please leave the vehicle from the right side. Thank you very much, Mr. Taxi Man, Mr. Robot Taxi. I very much appreciate that. That is absolutely insane. And there he goes, Mr. Robot Taxi Man, off to the next passenger. I am now at Wuhan's Tianhe International Airport, and just take a look at this. This place is absolutely massive. I mean, if you look over in the distance there, it just looks like it goes on forever. I recently just came back from a trip to the UK, Germany, Finland and Sweden. And let me tell you, all of those countries' airports combined together, they can't even compare to this even. I mean, there's no comparison between the facilities that they have here, the size, the services, the architecture. Uncomparable. Anyway, unfortunately, I have ran out of time here in Wuhan, but I will definitely be coming back again because I want to show you guys Wuhan's insane metro system. So maybe that will be next time. Anyway, signing off.